at the club, baby, make a ride.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching the video here with me, your boy. So in today's video, first of all, don't mind my hair, don't mind how I look. I'm gonna be bummy as hell, so that's a fact. Get over it. I'm gonna be dropping the gearbox on the E36 on Nightmare. We got cousin Zach here. You know, he's gonna be helping. Try to do whatever we can, do as quick as we possibly can. I'm still messed up, I just woke up. Shut up.
Me too.
So, this is probably gonna be like a 3-part, dropping the gearbox, rebuilding whatever, changing the flywheel, clutch, pressure plate, all the seals and all that other stuff, bearings or whatever. And then the last part will be putting it back up, seeing how it runs. I'm not sure if it was changed recently, but we'll find out. So without further ado, first thing I'm gonna do is pull out some of the stuff out of the engine bay and go to the bottom, drop that drive shaft. We ain't got no exhaust, so it'll be quick. So let's get to it. Okay, we're making some headway now. We're almost done. This is a really easy gearbox to pull off. Starter is removed. Can't really see much down there. I'm not really trying to show you that anyway. But let's go ahead and head under the car. As you can see the mess that we got going on here. Oh, alrighty, so drive shaft is out, shifter is disconnected, most of the bell housing, the clutch cylinder is out. We have a couple of the bell housings removed, so we're gonna go ahead and get the ones on this side and then the ones on this side. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the jack under here, pull the mount right here, and then when I drop it down a little bit, I angle it, I'll get the other ones at the top. So yeah, I took out the whole drive shaft. I was not about to let it sit here and hit me in my face. So let's go ahead and knock the rest of this out and we'll be done soon. Okay, well, we've got the gearbox out. Of course it was a pain, you know, BMW stuff. Pain in the, you know what. But we got it out. I don't know about this pressure plate and stuff, whatever. But either way, I already got my new stuff. So I'll be pulling all this stuff out in the second video. Pulling this stuff out, figuring out if I want to change the shifter or what I want to do with that. And then everything else will be changed in the second video. So that's going to be the end of this one. If you guys haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn on notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.